guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to share your Instagram post, reels, exclusive only with your close friend. In this video we'll learn this guys. Okay, so for this guys, first you need to open your Instagram app on your phone. After opening, here you can get the plus symbol on your screen. Just tap on it, it will open this screen. Now just you need to select your photo, video or reel like this and then tap on next. Okay, before sharing guys, here you can get the option audience. Okay, so if you want to share this post with your friends only, just you need to extend the audience option like this, and here you can get the option close friend. Just tap on it. Okay, now if you want to customize, if you want to add or remove friends from your close friend list, just tap on close friend. Here you can get your all friend list which you have added on your close friend. If you are not added any list with your close friend, from here you can easily able to add that. Okay, and then tap on done, go back and once again tap on done. It will share only with your close friends only. Okay, so this is the very easy and very simple method. In case this option, this feature is not showing on your app, you need to update the Instagram app from the Google Play Store. After that you can also get this feature. Okay, so that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.